Hello, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will be showing you some of the best free ways how to promote affiliate links in 2023 and beyond. Signing up to an affiliate program is one of the best ways how to make money online, as you don't have to worry about creating your own product. All you'll need to do is simply promote a product or a package that someone else has created, and you'll be able to get a commission. You don't have to worry about creating the product, you don't have to worry about the delivery of the product or anything like that. For example, if we were to go onto clickbank.com, and ClickBank is one of the most popular affiliate marketing platforms, as it is available practically worldwide. All you'll need to do once on ClickBank, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, and from there you can tap on start here, and you can sign up using your email address and by creating a password. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and from here I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and tap right where you see affiliate marketplace. After you have tapped on affiliate marketplace, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll see numerous affiliate offers that you can choose from. It all depends on the niche that you would like to go in. So let's say, for example, we would like to go into the woodworking niche, and I have a reason why I'm picking this niche. So all we would need to do is tap right where you see search at the top, or I could tap on home and garden, but I'm going to simply tap on search right here, and I'm going to type in woodwork, and you will see woodworking right there. After doing that, you can see the numerous products that I'll be able to promote, and with ClickBank you can also see the average commission that you'll be able to get per conversion. So for example, before promoting this product, I'll be able to get 70% commission, which would work out to $21. And to get the affiliate link, all you would need to do now is tap right where you see affiliate page, and from there you'll be able to get your affiliate link. Once you have done that, the first thing that I would recommend you do is choose the platform that you would like to promote it on, as there are numerous platforms that I would recommend, and one of the first ones that I would recommend is Pinterest. And the reason why I recommend Pinterest is Pinterest gives you a lot of reach that persons don't know about. For example, Pinterest gets an average 1 billion monthly views, as you can see right there. And an average a person, once they go onto Pinterest, they are staying on Pinterest for at least 5 minutes, as you can see right here. The average view duration on Pinterest is 5 minutes and 50 seconds. And they get more views compared to Nextdoor, and they are right behind TikTok.com and also LinkedIn.com. And also with Pinterest, majority of their views are from tier 1 countries, as you can see right here. For example, United States, and you can also see Brazil. And you can see that on average, as I said earlier, they are getting billions of views, as you can see right here. So all you would need to do is go onto Pinterest, and from there, if I were to type in best woodworking tools and scroll down, you can see the different pins right here. So let's say I were to select this one, and I'm almost certain that this will lead to an affiliate link. So if I were to select that one and then tap on this right here, you can see it right here. And by tapping on this, if I were to go over to this website right here that they have in their description, I'm almost certain that it will lead to some form of affiliate product, as that is what most persons are doing on Pinterest. As with Pinterest, all a person would need to do is go onto Pinterest. Once they have tapped on the search bar and they type in any particular word to search for, as you can see right here, if you were to type in best woodworking, you would see numerous recommendations. So Pinterest is a good search engine. So I would recommend that all you do is create pins. And to create a pin is quite easy. All you will need to do is sign up onto canva.com. And on Canva, you can create an account for completely free. All you'll need is your email address. And if you don't have any idea of what to write in the description or so on, or how to title that, all you will need to do is go onto one of those platforms, For this example, I'll be using ChatGPT, and you could type in, give me 5 pin ideas for Pinterest on best woodworking tools, and you can see an example of what it came up with right here. Not only did it come up with a title, but it also came up with a description. So all you would need to do is just promote your regular pins. All you need is engaging content, and once persons find your content engaging, more than likely they will click on the link that you have, the affiliate link, and you'll be able to get some commission. Another platform that I would also recommend that you give a try is Quora. So this all depends on the type of affiliate products or links that you are promoting, as Quora is one of the largest forums online. So all you will need to do again is sign up onto Quora for completely free, and from there you can find different groups that you could join to promote numerous affiliate links. And with Quora, if I were to go onto SimilarWeb to check out their analytics, you are going to be surprised by the amount of monthly views that they are getting, as a lot of persons sleep on these platforms. But with these platforms, you'll be able to promote your affiliate links for completely free. And you can see that Quora on average is getting over 700 million monthly views, as you can see right there, and their average view duration is 3 minutes. And again, if I were to scroll down, you can see that majority of their traffic is coming from a tier 1 country. So you can see that majority of their traffic is coming from United States, also United Kingdom and Canada. So all you need to do is go onto Quora. From there you can search different groups, or you can search different questions. For example, what are some ellipticals that don't need much space under $1,200? All you will need to do is simply tap on answer right here. After you have tapped on answer, from there you could type in your answer right here. After doing that, all you will need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner, tap right where you see the capital and common A. Then you could tap on the link sign right there, and you'll be able to add your affiliate link. And if your answer is captivating, all the person will need to do now is tap on that link, and then they'll be redirected to your affiliate product, and you'll be able to get a commission. And last but definitely not least, the other platform that I recommend that you promote your affiliate links on is Reddit. And with Reddit, again, if I were to go onto SimilarWeb, you are going to be surprised by the amount of monthly visits that Reddit, and by scrolling down you'll be able to see how much views they are getting. And if you are wondering which platform I'm using to get this, well, I'm using SimilarWeb. And SimilarWeb is a website that you can go on, and you'll be able to get the analytics for practice or any app. And you can see that on average Reddit is getting roughly views, and their average view duration is 8 minutes and 41 seconds. And again, by scrolling down, you'll see that majority of Reddit traffic is actually from tier 1 countries. As you can see that 48% is from United States and 7% is from the United Kingdom, and then you have Canada and Australia. So Reddit is definitely a good platform to promote your affiliate links. And all you'll need to do is simply create eye-catching posts and add your affiliate link. So once you deliver value, you're most likely to get a commission, or better yet, get a conversion. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.